seen videos of people making millions from affiliate marketing, but they forget to tell you the most important part, and that is the product that they are selling. Everyone keeps talking about affiliate marketing, but no one's really showing beginners exactly what to sell to make serious money. Today, we're changing that. At Promptearn, we have paid over 1 billion naira to affiliates across Africa, and in this video, I will show you 5 high-ticket products on Promptearn that are making beginners thousands in commission, even with zero experience. And make sure to stick to the end, because the 5th product that I'm going to share with you is the product that has made our affiliates the most money and sold over $1 million worth. But before I do reveal the 5 products, I just wanted to let you know that these are fully verified. They are products that are generating millions of naira for our affiliates monthly. So why is it even important to choose a profitable product? First of all, picking the right product will make or break your affiliate marketing journey. It will either get you to $5,000 a month profit in less than 6 months, or it will take you a year or longer to reach that goal. By picking the right profitable products, you can get a head start over other people who are looking at products that are either too competitive or products that don't fit a certain criteria. We have done over 1 billion naira in sales, and we have handpicked these products. So let's jump right into this video. Stick around, because the 5th product on this list is a massive game changer, and it's the one most top earners on Promptearn are secretly pushing right now. Now, let's talk about the real gold mine. What to sell if you want high ticket commissions. Number 1, affiliate marketing for beginners. This one's a no-brainer. It teaches total beginners how to start affiliate marketing from scratch and how to pick, promote, and profit without guesswork. It's a step-by-step roadmap, and it's beginner heaven. Here's why it works. It is perfectly tailored for new affiliates and offers them an easy way to kickstart their affiliate business. Number 2 is the WhatsApp cash out formula. This one is genius. It shows how to turn WhatsApp, the app that everyone already uses, into a powerful sales funnel. Here's why it works. Low learning curve, high relatability, real screenshots, and cash out proofs included. If your audience is in Africa or using WhatsApp as a business tool, this is an easy, high converting pitch. Number 3 is the ghostwriting income generator. This one is a quiet money maker. It teaches how to earn big writing ebooks and blog posts for clients, even if you're not a professional writer. Now, here's why this product works so well. Freelancing is exploding right now, and it's ideal for students, writers, and side hustlers. Number 4 is the TikTok monetization and growth blueprint. Now, this product teaches people how to grow on TikTok and monetize it through affiliate links, brand deals, and digital offers. This product works so well because TikTok is booming right now. Gen Z and millennials are obsessed with growing their TikTok accounts and making money from it. This program shows them exactly how to do that. If your audience is young, creative, and hungry for social media income, this is the ultimate plug. And now, the powerhouse. Number 5 is the automated income machine. This is the highest selling product on Promptearn for almost 2 years right now. This product has sold over $1 million in sales. And why this product works so well is because this product teaches people how to set up an automated digital business that makes them money while they sleep. Think email funnels, digital downloads, and passive sales. It solves a deep pain point. People want freedom, not just another hustle. And the AIM course delivers on that. This product is loaded with proof, testimonials from people earning their first 100K online. If you're targeting 9-to-5 workers or people tired of unstable side hustles, this is the product that you should be promoting. So here's the real question. Are you going to keep watching from the sidelines while others cash out on these, or are you finally going to start promoting the exact products that sell? Remember, the biggest mistake beginners make is picking the wrong product. But with these 5, you are already 80% ahead of everyone else. You don't need a website, you don't need any fancy tools. Just pick one of these, plug it into Promptearn, and start promoting. Let me know in the comments which one of these 5 you're first starting with. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because every week we'll be dropping more real strategies to help you make real money on Promptearn. See you in the next one.